today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's wig is going to be brought to you by the company Rpgshow. If you have not watched any of my other videos from this company, I'm going to make sure to leave a link down below for a playlist. But in the box, it does come with a few goodies. There's a magazine in here, an elastic band, and then there's also a wig cap, and then there's the bag that you could put your unit in. I've showed it a lot of times, so I'm gonna try not to bore you all, okay? Because I know you want to see the wig. The wig does come in this knit, and look at that color. And I'm pretty sure you guys can already see the texture. This is a Yaki texture unit. And remove this paper. And this is what it is looking like straight out of the box. And it's been sitting in the box for a little bit. It was supposed to be wavy, but y'all know I'm gonna get it together. This is their wavy brown highlight wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. This one does have a 13x6 Swiss lace parting space. This one also is 200% in density. This unit does come with your 2 combs. Let's focus. 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and it also has this adjustable elastic band. As stated, this is a Yaki texture, which you guys know I love their Yaki texture units. And I'm trying to see, this one does come already as a middle part. There was a very little amount of lace to cut off in the back. I am going to adjust my straps. I always get a cap size 1, and it works well with me for this company. If you don't know, I have a small head, and this is one of the companies that wigs fit me really good, where I don't have to go in and do too much. So I'm just gonna tighten up my straps, and I'm not gonna tighten up the elastic band because I don't want it to be too uncomfortable. Tighten that up, and then we're gonna try this on. This is what it is looking like on. I can definitely see that there's a few layers in the front. Obviously, if you take this straight out of the box when you first get it, then you are going to get, you know, some defined waves. But because mine has been sitting in the box for a little bit, the waves look like they need a little bit of help. And then the front of this does come pre-plucked, so you do get your pre-plucked hairline. They always do a good job with plucking out the hairline, so that's never an issue for me. But look how good that looks. It comes with your bleach knots. Look how good that looks. Of course, you can elongate your parting space, so it does go all the way back. Of course, you can part this on the side. You can go over a little bit further. It's still gonna look good. Now, of course, if you go over past this, you are gonna end up running into tracks, but that looks really good. I wanna add some waves back into the unit just to see how everything is going to look. Now, of course, with Yaki texture units, I don't feel like they hold like a really strong curl. Eventually, they do end up dropping into waves, and I do not mind that at all. But I am going to keep this in the middle, and then I'm going to fix up this parting space a little bit, and then we're just going to see how everything turns out. Super quick and easy install. This is beginner friendly because I did not use any type of adhesive. I did, however, add some bobby pins to the side for extra security, and you can't see the lace at all. I did leave my edges out on the side because I do have a short pixie cut, and that's just the way that my hair is molded. But once I push the hair back, like, you can't see it at all, which is good. And then this is what this side looks like. Now, of course, I just lifted this so you can see it, but with the hair in the way, that's not a big deal. I decided to add some big wand curls in, and I feel like this hair did a really good job with holding a wave. Now, in the back, it has dropped some, but I did go smaller, like right in the front area, and I feel like it still looks good. I just had to retouch up on this side, and it was only because I wanted the hair to flow a certain way. But I didn't have to go in and retouch up anything else. Of course, if you want a stronger hold, I highly suggest going in with some type of holding spray. But for me, I like when I curl Yaki hair because it does go into a nice wave. And I feel like you don't have to touch it up throughout the week unless you just want it to be more defined. It's perfect on me. I'm only 5'2". I think it looks good and it's not too long. And then as far as the density goes, this is a little bit thicker. Not too thick where you're gonna get intimidated by it. I know 200% does sound super heavy, but it's not that heavy on my head. Also, I feel like this is wearable if you wanna wear sweaters, if you wanna wear coats, jackets. I think that you will be fine with this. So I definitely feel like this is about like 180%, but it looks good. You don't have to worry about anything that's going on because there's no track showing at all. The parting goes, I decided to keep it as a middle part. I did go ahead and elongate it a little bit more. I wish the parting was just like a little bit more open, but I did add my powder in just to kind of help brighten it up and make it look more scalp-like. I didn't have to put any powder in the front area. The lace is melted down. Usually with Rpgshow units, I really don't have to go in with any powder because the lace is tinted and it does blend in well to my skin. I mean, look at that. Like, look how well it's just blended down, and I don't have any makeup on this area at all. I feel like their lace just photographs really well even in the natural sunlight. As far as shedding and tangling, I did get a little bit of shedding going on, and that is because I ended up cutting into the lace on the side because I like for my lace to sit above my ear. And as far as snags going on, I'm not getting any at the moment. With this Yaki texture and also the color that they added, I do expect some dryness to happen. You want to go in with your serum just to kind of keep everything in check. And you also want to go in with some conditioner. Oh, I do like this unit. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. I love the layers that's going on. The chocolate that's going on, it's so pretty. I don't feel like it's too much. It's perfect, especially if you're somebody who does not like a lot of color going on, but it's still safe enough. This is a great one for the holiday. I think it's good for every day, especially because you can wear this glueless. Rpgshow, it is a little bit up there when it comes to price, so if I have a coupon code, I will make sure to leave that down below. Also, guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.